I have 2 cups of water in this pot. I'm gonna add 2 cups of white vinegar. I'm gonna add a tablespoon of salt to this. We're just going to stir this until the salt is dissolved. If you want to add sugar to this, you can add a teaspoon, okay? I'm gonna leave it sugar-free. Guys, I went ahead and added a 2nd tablespoon of salt. I tasted it and I want it saltier, okay? So it's 2 cups water, 2 cups vinegar, 2 cups salt. 2 tablespoons salt. One thing I do want to recommend when you're making pickled garlic is that you try and use a salt that has no iodine in it. Pickled garlic can sometimes react with the vinegar or the salt and it'll turn kind of greenish, even sometimes like a vibrant blue. It's fine, there's nothing wrong with it. It just looks funky, but you can still eat it. It's perfectly safe. But if you use salt with no iodine, that should help it not to do that, okay? I have a clean jar here and I'm going to put a bunch of dill in the bottom. It doesn't matter how much. I have a bowl full of peeled garlic. We'll put that in there. My jar is a little big, but it doesn't matter. I'm going to add chilies to this. It is optional, you don't have to, okay? And I'm gonna put peppercorn medley in here, for whole peppercorns. You can use mustard seed if you want. You can use pickling spices, whatever you want. It doesn't matter. All right, this has cooled down a little bit and I'm just gonna pour it over the garlic. I'm just going to move it around so all the air bubbles come out and everything is nicely covered in there, which is great. I'm gonna wait this to cool down completely. I'm gonna cover it and I'm going to put it in the refrigerator for about 2 weeks. This takes about between 2 and 4 weeks to pickle. The more we let it pickle, the less strong the garlic's gonna be. These have been in the fridge for 4 weeks, guys. As I told you, the longer you leave them in the vinegar, the better they're going to get. We all know the benefits of garlic. They're very, very good for your health. Wow, that is so good. So good. It still has a crunch to it, but the garlicky flavor has been toned down a bit. Oh, it's delicious. You can eat these, one a day, slice them, put them in your salads. However you like, they're delicious. Keep these in the fridge for up to 2 months. Thanks for watching, guys. I'm gonna see you soon.